Hi, boys and girls. My name is Miss Cameron, and today, in case you missed our math lesson, we have the math lesson here for you. So today, what we learned in class was how to construct a graph. So what I did was, you will be voting on these different areas: fair food, candy, sports. So, for an example, if your mom likes fair food, then you would write her name beside fair food just on a regular sheet of paper. If dad likes sports, he would put his name here, and you would put your name wherever you like, and your brothers and sisters, your uncle and aunts, whoever lives in the house with you. Um, and then from there, after you guys choose which one is your favorite, then you would make a new graph where, let's say, if fair food won, then my title would be our favorite fair food, and I would write the title up here at the top. And then the different choices were cotton candy, popcorn, and funnel cake. And that's from slide 2: cotton candy, popcorn, and funnel cake. So once I write that out, so I made like a little quick graph by writing the names and just drawing straight lines. So what I would do next is I would ask each of my family members, who likes which food do you like the best? So once they choose, you write their names beside what they chose. So, for example, if you and mom like funnel cake, then you would write your names beside funnel cake. And if your little sister likes cotton candy, you would write your sister's name here. And if dad likes popcorn, you would write dad's name here. So this is just an example of how it will look. You will not take tally marks. What you will do is you will write their names. And so what you would do next on the next slide is, what does the data tell us about our class? So in other words, what does the data tell us about our family? That in our family, most of us like funnel cake. Which food was chosen by the least amount of people? Um, Cotton candy and popcorn. On mine, they both tied because my little sister and my dad both liked each one, only one person. And then which food was chosen by the most people? It would be the funnel cake because more people's names are beside funnel cake. So basically, you'll just go through and just have discussion with your family about the graphs. So how many total people answer the question? So you would go through and count all the names of the people that voted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, for example, here, 4 people answer the question. And why is it important that um, people vote, um, that people answer one time? And the reason is so that the data can be correct. You cannot vote more than once. So, for example, we can't have 2 presidents, we can only vote one time. Um, on the next page, how many more family members chose funnel cake than cotton candy, and how do you know this? And what you could do here, which will be really, really simple, is you could draw circles to show each person. So 2 people liked funnel cake, one person liked popcorn, and one person liked cotton candy. You would only choose one to compare to your largest one. So most people like there were 2 people that liked funnel cake, and then there was one person like popcorn, one that liked cotton candy. So, how many more chose funnel cake than popcorn, for example? I would draw a line between these two to show that they both match. And how many do I have left over? I have one left over. So my answer would be one. And how do I know this? Because I compared the two together. And on the next one, the next slide, the question says, which type of fair food should we buy for our family? The one that we would buy would be funnel cake. Why? Because most of us like funnel cake. And because if we buy something that everybody doesn't like, then nobody's going to eat it and they will waste their money. So have fun with this activity. Um, and I will see you next time. Bye.